Hey guys, Sarah here. Everybody's here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing our unboxing for our Yes Oh Yes bag box package for November 2018. If you did not know, this bag is $14.99 a month with $3.99 shipping. Ends up being just about $19. I do have a code down below if you want to save 10% off your first bag. Feel free to go ahead and use that. And then, yeah, I think that's everything for this bag. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. So this bag is stuffed pretty full this month. Let's see, so the theme for the month is Girls Can. I like that theme. I think girls can. On the back it'll list the values of everything and all that, so I will put that down below. If you want to know if things are cruelty free and I don't know at the time of filming, I will put that down below. My dog's drinking water. I'm sorry for that sound. But yeah, all the information will be in the description box if you are interested in that. Okay, so let's see. The first thing I am pulling out is a brush from Crown. I really like Crown brushes. I have quite a few of them. This one is the BK40 Oval Shadow. Well, that's I don't know. It's kind of big for a shadow brush to me, but maybe. It's interesting. Definitely excited to try this out. I always like getting brushes. This brush is valued at $19, which is pretty pricey for one brush in my opinion, but like I said, I really do like their brushes. So, let's see. Okay, so the next thing I have is from Beauty Creations. It's a liquid highlighter called Unicorn Tears. I'm not a huge fan of liquid highlighters, but I will still go ahead and swatch this for you. Just looking at it, looks like it is a tad pink tinted. Okay, so it's got this little dropper. Let's go ahead. So a little bit goes a long way. That was like the tiniest drop. Look at so there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off. That's a lot. So yeah, it's like, it's like more cool toned, I guess you could say. But yeah, I will maybe play around with that. A little bit goes a long way though, let me tell you. Okay, the next thing I have is from Sorme, which I know is cruelty free. So this is a brow highlighting pencil in number 30 white. Okay. You know, I've never actually tried one of these. Maybe I'll play with that. I'm not gonna swatch it, it's just like a white pencil, but interesting. Okay, so this is valued at $22, and I forgot to say the Beauty Creations highlighter is $17, so not too bad. I mean, this $22 is a bit much for a pencil, but what can you do? Okay, let's see. The next thing I have is from Mirabella. Never tried anything from this brand either, I don't think, so I'm not sure if it is cruelty free. But it is a Swirling Pearl Brilliant Mineral Highlighter. I don't see a shade. Packaging is really cute though, I do like that. So the compact looks like this. It's like clear on top, and then it's got like kind of like these grooves in there, which is kind of cool. I've not seen something like that. We'll go ahead and swatch this for you. It is like gold. There it is on my finger if you can see it. Gold. So yeah, definitely more a color that is up my alley versus the other highlighter. I'm gonna be covered in glitter by the end of this. So I'm definitely excited about this one. So that's awesome. This is valued at $42. Holy moly, I hope it's amazing. That's quite pricey for just a single compact. It's crazy. Okay, let's see. I have one more thing in here. So this is a palette, I want to say. Oh, it is a contour lip series from Aesthetica. I've never tried any makeup from Aesthetica, I don't think. They are cruelty free. Packaging is really nice. And then on the back it has like the lip colors and like the pencils, I guess, that we'll be getting with it. This is a really nice packaging. So I guess this is to like make your own lip colors, I guess. Because on here it has like all these lip colors that you can make with it. Alright, let's open it up and see what's in here. I'm kind of excited about this, honestly. So here's, let's see, it looks like you have the 6 lip colors right there. And then these 2 are pencils, and then this is the actual brush for the palette. I'll go ahead and swatch them with the brush. Let's see. Alright, not the best swatching job, but there's like the 5 main colors, and then the white is right there. So they're pretty pigmented, which is good for a lip. I'm gonna go ahead and try to mix 2 colors together and see what I can do. Okay, so there's like that color by itself. I'm gonna go ahead and add some white to it to see if I can lighten it up. Okay, so you can kind of see like all 3 colors. So I have like the dark on the outside, the white there, and then the color in the middle is like the lighter pink that I kind of made to make a lighter color. Huh, that's kind of cool. Let me go ahead and try out the pencils just to see what those look like. Oh, okay. And so the pencils are each double-ended, so you can, so there's one for all the colors except for I think the nude. I'm gonna be covered in lipstick by the end of this. So those little lines right there are the lip pencil swatches. I'm actually really pumped for this. Like, that's cool. And the packaging is so nice. Wow. I'm really impressed with this. So the value of this thing is $45. So, and obviously, well, not obviously, but the lip item is what I'm probably most excited about. So quickly, let's go over everything we got. So we got the lip palette, which I'm really pumped about. This Mirabella compact highlighter, really pumped about. Not really, excited about this. I don't really use this, but that's just personal preference. Excited about the brush, excited to see what I can sort of do with this. And then the liquid highlighter is, again, something I'm not totally into, but that's just because I'm not into liquid highlighters. I do think it is weird that we got 2 highlighters in this bag in 1 month, but I don't know. It's just a little bit strange to get like 2 versions of something. Does that make sense? Anyways, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more of me being covered in makeup, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.